Like, share, comment, and subscribe. What I drink to stop peeing 3 to 4 times a night. One that I use is cinnamon. Usually when I use cinnamon, it's because I've been already getting up, and I will take me a tablespoon or a teaspoon of cinnamon and just chuck it in my mouth. Once I do that, it usually, next thing you know, it's morning time. It's done. I might have to get up one more time and use the bathroom. I don't know. It's lowering my sugar, A1C level, some kind of way that I don't know the technical terminology for it. I don't have diabetes, but sometimes if I eat sugar, I go to the bathroom more than usual. Or if I'm out and I don't eat all day. My grandmother and my aunt on my father's side, they both had diabetes real bad, so I don't know the case to be if I have it. My numbers always are positive. It shows that I don't have any of it, but sometimes I think I use the bathroom too much. The next one on the list is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been very helpful for me. I was drinking apple cider vinegar back in the early 2000s, and Emory had a heart examination that they were doing for free. You just had to be listening to the right radio station. And my yard man, he told me about it. So him and I, we went up there and we got the CAT scan or the MRI, whichever one they gave, and it came back with 0% blockage. Now, what I want to add to this is I was drinking a lot of rum and Coke. So what I'm trying to say is I wasn't just eating all healthy. I don't like fried food, so I really don't know what contributes to some of the variations and factors that affect us as humans. But at the end of the day, I do know that I was drinking apple cider vinegar and honey back in the day, and it was helpful. Now, when I'm drinking the apple cider vinegar, the fallback or the drawback on it is it's not a drink like lemon and water that you can drink throughout the day. You know, when you drink it, you're going to chug it down, at least I do, and then that's going to be it. So, and definitely if you're trying to eliminate urinating at night, do not take the honey with it. Just take a teaspoon to a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and warm water, and that should help as well. Like I said, I am no physician or doctor. I do take a 10 milligram blood pressure pill. However, my blood pressure has been down to 110/66. But I do still take my medication just for the simple fact, every day I can't check my blood pressure. So I was going to the doctor every 6 months, but he changed it down to once a year. Annually now, and I go since I quit eating meat and do a whole lot of these different things. The number one thing that helps me not go to the bathroom 3 to 4 times a night is lemon and water. What I do is just cut the lemon or lemon and lime and water. What I do is cut it in half. I squeeze it with one of the little squeezer things they have, and I pour it into my bottle of water, and I drink it throughout the day. I may drink one of those a day. Last night I got up 0 times. I woke up, it was 6:30. And I'm like, man, I got to make a video about this because the men, we need to hear this. Pass this information on to your uncle, your grandfather, your father, your husband, your boyfriend, anybody that's getting up too many times at night. Pass this information on. That lemon and lime, it changed the game for me. And so I want y'all to tell me in the comments, are y'all trying anything different? What's been working for you? And at the end of the day, it's about health and wellness. At this age, 61 years old, it was a time I was running reckless and doing a whole lot of things, but you got to use your sense and become a lot wiser. They say a fool learns from nobody's mistakes. A smart man learns from his own. A wise man learns from others. Guess what, guys? I've been all three. Now, another person told me, they said, Jim, I know somebody that was working out and they fell out and died. My response to that was, I know several people, hundreds of them, that wasn't working out and they fell out and died. So my suggestion to you and myself is to eat as best as you can and to walk slowly. Start off slowly. All this information I'm giving you is information that's been passed on through generations, or that I get from doctors, or even off of YouTube. I go on there and I try the things that make sense to me. If it's illogical and it don't make sense, I don't have time for it. But if it's something that I think that can benefit my life, I will try it. And if it works, I give it the thumb up. If it don't, I pass that information on too. Y'all be blessed. Lemon and lime and water, vinegar and water, and the other one was cinnamon. You can't put the cinnamon in water. Now, another thing that I add is turmeric and black pepper, cinnamon into my hot teas, as well as cayenne peppers. And so therefore, those are just a few things that can help you along your way to stop getting up and using the bathroom all day and all night. Hey guys, be blessed. I've been out since about 7:45 this morning, door dashing. The early bird get the worm, and sometimes too. I'm gonna get back to the house and do some going over my charts as far as what I'm gonna do on my credit spreads for next week. Just paying down my bills and just working hard, trying to get one step ahead. Put one foot in front of the other, and you can too. Hey, be blessed. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Pass this on to all men over 40 years old. Have a blessed day.